How to unsave login info on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unsave login info on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click these three lines, and now click settings, and here you will find security. Click on it and then click this one, save it login info, and as you see here you can manage it. And now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, just click on it, disable this one and click remove, and now your account have been unsaved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.